Neighbors Helping Neighbors is the mission of Hearts and Hands, founded in 2003 by Reverend Mary Ann Pula. Trained volunteers provide needed services to seniors 60 plus and physically challenged adults. Our services are delivered at no expense through the best efforts of our dedicated volunteers. A care receiver is an individual requesting assistance in our program. All participants are required to complete an intake assessment before enrolling. Services include escorted transportation for medical appointments, therapy, grocery shopping, errands, and places of worship. We also offer non-contact grocery delivery and friendly phone pals. Hearts and Hands volunteer coordinators make all the arrangements. Coordinators then communicate with volunteers about available requests. At Hearts and Hands, protocols have been put into place for the safety for our volunteers and care receivers. Teresa greets Nina at the door. Both are wearing masks. Teresa then sanitizes door handles and touch points inside the car. Nina sits in the back seat in order to create as much space as possible between them. The faith community is a vital part of our service model. We partner with over 40 faith institutions who support us with volunteers and financial assistance that enables our care recipients to receive services free of charge. Pastors tell us that our mission aligns perfectly with their message of mercy and outreach. Congregants can live out their spirit of giving by sharing their time and talents with our care receivers.
Many of our faith partners have rolled up their sleeves to help out the community in partnership with Hearts and Hands. Whether it was delivering a ride to an appointment, or delivering groceries for a neighbor, or simply making that human connection and making that person's day by just calling them up and asking them how they are and checking up on them. We wouldn't be able to do any of this without the support and the partnership of our faith partners. And I just want to take a few moments to say thank you so very much for volunteering with Hearts and Hands, whether it was delivering a service, making a financial contribution, or keeping us in your prayers, because the support has simply been amazing during this time. So thank you so very much. As the pandemic broke out in March, Hearts and Hands was approached by two community organizations, the Health Foundation for Central and Western New York and the Department of Senior Services. And we came together to figure out how we can ensure that older adults still have access to transportation to get to their needed medical appointments, to get access to food such as their groceries, and also how we can combat social isolation of lockout effect. And when we came together, we were able to really rally community support. We were able to recruit over 90 volunteers, which helped us expand our capacity to deliver services to 140 new care receivers. We also opened up our doors to the city of Buffalo and other parts of Erie County so that folks can experience the care that Hearts and Hands has been known for.
Dr. Nora O'Brien-Surk states, "When people have reliable access to essential services they need, it can have a significantly positive impact on their overall health and well-being. In the face of this pandemic, we know it's more important than ever to provide safe, accessible options for older adults and people with disabilities to connect them with their communities. We make volunteering easy. Select only the requests which fit your schedule. Volunteer weekly, monthly, or seasonally. In order to get started, we offer Zoom or phone trainings. You will receive mileage reimbursement, and we provide supplemental auto and liability insurance." One of our most requested services during COVID has been non-contact grocery delivery. Volunteers pick up a prepared grocery list and a payment card which is left in a secured location. After the shopping is complete, the groceries are dropped off on the care receiver's doorstep. This map highlights our service areas. It is always our pleasure to thank volunteers for their service with social events and appreciation lunches. Become a volunteer today. How can you become involved in our mission of neighbor helping neighbor? It's easy. Go to our website, hnhcares.org, to sign up, or call us at 406-8311. Volunteer trainings take 45 minutes over the phone or via Zoom. A word from Dawn, a care receiver's daughter. I can't thank Hearts and Hands enough for taking my mother to medical appointments when I can't. I don't have anyone to help with my mom. She wouldn't be as healthy as she is or live as independently without the support of your wonderful organization. Meeting volunteers and having enjoyable conversations on the way to her appointments is also positive for her mental health.